How to fix WhatsApp status not showing problem. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to fix WhatsApp status not showing problem. So first thing, just head over to your settings on your device, and once you're inside your settings, just scroll all the way down until you see the apps. Just select it. So from over here, what you need to do is just click on WhatsApp. So once you're searching for the WhatsApp, just click on it and basically click on this permission option, and just make sure you have enabled or allowed the camera permission from over here in WhatsApp. So once you do that, just come back and simply click on this storage by scrolling down, and just clear all the cache and clear all the data from over here. And you may have to log in with your login credentials, so you can do that and simply reopen the WhatsApp, and your issue of WhatsApp status not showing problem should be fixed. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.